Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. In today's video, we're going to be digging into my monthly recaps bullet journal and doing a fun little summer spread for the month of July. All right, guys, so I am currently using this Archer and Olive notebook as my monthly recap / currently page. If you guys don't know, the currently page is something that those in the happy planner world call that last page of the month. Basically, I believe years ago it started where there were actual prompts on there, like what you were currently reading, what you were currently watching, what you were currently enjoying, and things like that. So a lot of people have kind of continued that on, even though that page is now more blank. So I really liked that page. However, I started thinking I would like to have all of my currently pages in one place. And I like to keep them for years down the line because I feel like it's just fun to kind of see changes. And I guess your currently stuff, I need to stop doing the quotes, from month to month and even from year to year. So that's why I decided to transfer everything into this journal. And so far, I'm liking it. I've only started in May, so I can't really speak too much, but it's fun. And I only still add like a few prompts. And then what I do is we'll do like a quick flip through probably at the end of the year. But I do like kind of a monthly highlights over here. And then this is where I do my currently stuff. So I'm really enjoying this and I really like using all these journals. So I kind of done some pre-planning as far as trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And I knew I wanted to use these Squad Girls. This is from the older Squad books. This is from the Squad Goals books, I believe. Yes, Squad Goals. And I really wanted to use them. And I was playing around with them and they're clear stickers. So I was going to use scrapbook paper to mimic water. But when you put these on here, the color of whatever you have on top of it kind of distorts this color. So what I'm going to try to do is take this off as one sticker and maybe use, because this is also a sticker, and then maybe use that and almost do like a big washi thing. I mean, it's not washi, but you know what I'm saying? Like have this going along the bottom to kind of mimic a pool. Now, I don't know how they're going to be because I'm going to try to cut around them. And I'm going to put the wiggly parts off the edge of the page. So that way the straight edge mimics an infinity pool because I'm not going to get all fancy. This is meant to be cute, but not to be a lot of work. I'm going to do that first because that's going to kind of guide how I decorate the rest of the page. So I'm going to go ahead. Why am I nervous? And I'm going to cut, like they're kind of, like I can't cut straight down the center because of the way they're laid out. And these are both identical. So I'm only going to use one. And being I already have like played around with this one, I'm going to use this. All right, so there we go. Now what I would like to do is I really would like to be able to take off everything in one swoop. That's what I would like to do. That's my ideal type of thing. So I don't think it's going to work. Like, I mean, like take off all the stickers. And some of them are going to go off the page, but that's fine because I do need some of the page for it. I mean, I guess I could always flip them around like this too. I mean, they'll be upside down. Or I could do them up here. Tracy, they don't have to be at the bottom. Maybe I'll do like that. Yeah. Let's do something like that. I will have to, I think she might end up getting cut off because what I may end up doing is I kind of want this to look more uniform. All right, so we could do something like this, and then that would cut her off. So then I would just have her off to the side. Do we want to go ahead and try it? Do we think it's do we think it's safe to go ahead and try this? All right, you guys, that is it. It works. Well, I mean, I don't really want to say it works, but that's what happened. I think next time I'll just try like painting it. Using stamps or something like that to like paint it. It's just, this stuff was like bubbling up. It was like everything that could have done it. That's what it did. All right, but it's cute, right? All right. And then I also have this piece. You can totally tell things are taped together, but that's okay. We don't care. A little bit we do. All right, but that's it. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. So I pulled, I mean, I have more girls, but with as much room as that took up, because I was like thinking about making it smaller. So I have boxes. These are Mojo Jojo's blue jewel toned boxes. So I pulled them out because they kind of match some of the pinks and stuff. And then I also have summer, because you know summer. I think I'm gonna use, and obviously I need big boxes for over here. All right, I don't want red though. I want pink. So I can do, well, I can't, I guess I could. I was like, I don't know if I can write all the way over here, but we're gonna do it because it just makes it look pretty. All right, so we're gonna do a box there. I mean, there's so many colors in here. Yellow would work too. Let's do yellow. Now that I've used it, I'm gonna wanna use that yellow box elsewhere. And like I said, this is where I kind of write things that happen this month. Like a general overview of maybe a really good memory that happens this month. So yeah. All right, so now over here, we need smaller boxes. All right, and let's see, I don't know if I pulled it. I actually created some currently stickers as well, but I don't know where they are. They're old, like I created them a long time ago, but Amber Plans Her Day has currently in a lot of her books. So I know she has them in the spring collection. Loving, Feeling, Planning, and Watching. So we can use those. She also has them in Rainbow Basics, but we'll just use these. All right. So watching. Oh, they don't have reading. Well, that's going to be reading. That'll be feeling. This will be planning. I need to find mine. And then we need one more. And we'll do this. And then when I have loving, this can be more like a list. All right, there we go. Those are all my boxes. I don't write headings in here. I just kind of write there. Now I do need letters. And I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys. So I could just stencil them out anywhere, somewhere. Just write like J-U-L-Y. I could use stickers. I feel like stenciling is going to be my best option. But I also have more stickers. What do you think? I like it. I would like something over here, but I don't think I really have anything. I think we're done. I think that is it. That is my July currently page in my Archer and Olive notebook. I think it's super, super cute. I don't know why I did that. I liked it. I liked how it turned out. It was a lot more work. Like I said, this video, a lot you will not know because it'll be sped up. So it will not seem as long as it really did, but it took me probably like a good 30 to 45 minutes to do this. And all I did was put boxes on the page. It was all this. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And I do want to thank all of my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.